pull out a polygon like this. So remember, at the bend of the L, hold down Alt, drag that out just like that. Okay. Now I don't need that, so I'm going to remove it by holding down Control and clicking on it. So there's that. Okay. And then I'm going to hold Shift. I'm going to drag this around. And then Control Alt. In this lesson, we're going to begin the process of filling out the jacket geometry. Alright, so we went in, we started adding the major edge loops for the jacket. Now we want to fill in this information. So one area that's really bothering me right now is this polygon right here. I'm going to go ahead and hold down Control, right click, and go to Swift Loop. And then right in the center, I'm going to hold down Shift, and then I'm going to left click and drop that loop there. Let's go ahead and turn off this isolation mode. Right click and unhide all. And then we're going to select the low poly and the high poly jacket, right click, or hide unselected. And let's go to our low mesh, and then we'll just come in, right click, Control, poly draw extend, and we'll just come in and we'll grab these points, if we can here, and start bringing them up where they need to be. So it might be kind of hard to grab some of those, so you might go to wireframe, pull those around. Okay, so just rounding that out a little bit more. Okay, now you might be asking, how are we going to deal with the puffiness of the jacket? Well, we'll just have to add some more edge loops across those and getting those to conform to that a little bit better. Alright, so we've got that set. Let's come in and start connecting these together. And it's just a process of setting the points where they need to be, retopologizing it just like we did with the geometry of the face. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's talk about putting all of this together. Okay, getting these edges to go across. It looks like I may have an edge problem here. Oops, looks like I've got some polygons that tried to go across to one another, and it did. Sorry about that. Let's hold down Alt, Control, bridge across to there. And I'm actually going to split this. So Control right click, Swift Loop, and then Control right click, Poly Draw Extend. And I just want to start bridging this across here. Okay, just like that. And then let's hold down Control. Let's take this loop down. Actually, you know what? Let's do this first. Let's hold down Alt. We pull this polygon down, and then let's take this down and across, kind of like that, just following along with the contour here that we see. I'm going to start to thin up these polygons just a little bit. Actually, you know what? I'm going to pull that up here. I know I'm going to need another loop right up in here, so I'm looking at where it's connecting here. So Control right click, Swift Loop, hold Shift, create that loop there, and then Control right click, Poly Draw Extend, and then just bridge that across. Control Alt to bridge. Putting these points right on the edge there, across that highlight. Okay, so it should look something like this. Okay, great. All right, so we've got that, and I want to just continue filling in this area here. So I'm going to hold down Alt, drag those out, just like so. Going to need another loop right here, so control right click Swift Loop, add one there. Control right click Polydraw Extend and bridge that across to there. I'm going to go ahead and change the color of this. It's really hard to see.